Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. Hi friends, I have been posting images into Shutterstock for more than 1 year now, almost 2 years. And I am habituated with many reasons of rejection. Thousands of photos which I have uploaded thinking that those were great have been rejected for many reasons, and I have accepted that. Alright, I first used to think that I don't know photography. Well, my photos used to get so many likes on Facebook and Instagram, but they were rejected in Shutterstock. Fine, I put some research into it. I learned how to edit photos in Shutterstock in order to get quick approval, and I got approval fit and fine. But recently, since last 2-3 months, most of my images, good looking images, because I know what I am doing, the fine images, the right images, the correct images, the sharp images are being rejected by Shutterstock, giving the reason the main subject of the image is not in focus. I mean, what the the same thing must have happened to you, right? The good looking images, the very sharp, the correctly focused images are also being rejected by Shutterstock, giving the same reason the main subject of the image is not in focus. If it has happened with you, please watch this video till the end and we will discuss about it. We will try to solve it, and I hope things will be better for you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. I am a medical doctor, but my hobby is photography, and I have uploaded photos into Shutterstock and all other stock photography websites, and I have earned thousands of dollars. I have made detailed video guides of how to upload and sell your images into various stock agencies. So please feel free to check my YouTube channel to check my videos if you are new to Shutterstock and stock photography, and feel free to use the referral links in my video description. Now moving on to the topic of image rejection due to subject not being in focus, it might be two things. Number one, your subject is actually not in focus. For that, you need to improve your photography skills. You need to use a fast shutter speed. You need to use image stabilized lenses. You can use a tripod. You need to make sure your subject are not moving. You need to use good light so that you can click on high fast shutter speed. You need to use small aperture so that your depth of field is actually very small. All these are technical reasons for which your image might not be in focus for real, and in that case Shutterstock is actually right in rejecting the images, which is acceptable. If there is any error in the contributor part, we are ready to accept it, right? But what about the second scenario? Scenario number 2 happens when you have taken a photo with selective focus, when you have taken deliberately focused on some part and the other part is out of focus. Those photos which the photographer intentionally has selected an area to focus, those are also rejected. So in this case, it is the error of Shutterstock. Scenario 2, when we are correct but Shutterstock is wrongly rejecting our images, what can we do about it? Well, in most of the cases that I have found out, it also differs from reviewer to reviewer, right? Just like it happens in exam, your answer may be checked by one teacher and he may like it. It may be checked by another teacher and he may not like it. These reviewers in Shutterstock and other stock photography agencies don't have any personal enmity with us, alright? They check for the highest quality of images, but the issue over here is something is wrong. Maybe they are doing it automatically, they are doing it by bots. You never know what's happening. But how to get rid of this issue? one thing what I do is simply re-upload the images. Do nothing, simply re-upload again and again. You keep on uploading with the hope that a good reviewer will actually see those images and approve. So this is number one, re-upload the rejected images. And the second way that I follow, and I will ask all of you to follow, is to include the word selective focus in the keyword, the title, the description. You can use shallow depth of field, you can use the word blur. These are words which the reviewer might read and he might get your intention, the motive, the story behind the photo. Then he may accept and approve the photo. So these are the only two ways that I follow, and in most of the cases my rejected photos have been approved next time when I have uploaded them with either no change or change in title, description and keyword. But one thing you should always do, you should always zoom your photos to 100% before submitting to check whether it is very sharp or not. If it is not sharp, if it's actually blurred, your images will be rejected, and no matter how many times you upload, it will not be approved. But one thing remains, in spite of following these methods, I have got some images which have been rejected by Shutterstock using the same reason, the main subject of the image is not in focus. But luckily, since I am contributing to all other agencies, those same photos have been well accepted in iStock, Adobe Stock, Dreamstime and every other agencies. So if the reviewers on those websites think the images to be fine, then why Shutterstock is rejecting? That is my question. So I request all of you to share this video. Share this video to every platform, share this video to every contributor and every Shutterstock page and community, so that ultimately Shutterstock hears our voices. And if they hear our voices, I think they may look into their reviewing system and come up with a solution, so that these robotic rejection, just claiming the main subject of the image is not in focus, can be avoided in future. So guys, time for code of the day. For those who have seen this video till now and who have not skipped this video after 1 minute, please type cactus in the comment section, because this is a very tricky situation, right? So that's it for today. If your images have also been rejected showing this reason, the main subject of the image is not in focus, but if you think those images were in focus, then please hit the like button, please hit the thumbs up and support this video. And again, please share this video to every stock community that's possible. I wish all of you good luck, and I hope all of your rejected images will be approved by Shutterstock. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching The Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.